Stop by a little logging yard here, have a look-see. Asked a mechanic, said we could have a look. 892 Road Builder. Looks like a Traxxon rock drill. And a 400 log loader getting some work, undercarriage work, track adjusters, he said. So.